this episode of Ask Astera, we are looking at how we can generate an XML schema in Astera Centerprise. An XML schema, commonly known as XML Schema Definition file, is used to describe and validate the structure and content of XML data. In simple words, it provides the skeleton or layout to a hierarchical dataset. You can generate the XML schema for a dataset at any instance in a data flow in Astera Centerprise. Right-click on the header of an object and select Generate XML Schema for Layout in the context menu. Centerprise will ask you to provide the name and path where you want to save your schema. Enter it and save your file. Now, let's open the schema file we have just generated in Centerprise. You can modify the schema in this window and then click Save to save your changes. You can also use the schema to write your data to an XML destination. If you already have an XML file but not the schema, you can generate it by going to the properties of the XML source object. Click on this drop-down option and select Generate to create a schema for your source file. This concludes generating a schema in Astera Centerprise.